Study of improved varieties of plants is known as. So, study of improved varieties of plants is known as what? In other words, branch of botany deals with the development of improved varieties of plants. Options are here: embryology, plant breeding, paleobotany, palynology. You have 5 seconds to give the answer. Now we will see the correct answer. Embryology is the wrong answer. The correct answer is plant breeding. Study of improved varieties of plants is known as plant breeding. Rest two options are wrong options. Now we will see the explanation. In plant breeding, scientists and researchers or breeders, they grow improved varieties of plants. See here, improved varieties of flower producing plants is going on. See here, flower producing plants are growing. So plant breeding is related to improved varieties of plants. Embryology is related to fertilization and embryos. Paleobotany is related to plant fossils. Anywhere if you see paleo, it is related to fossils, because here botany, so it is plant fossils. So it is related to plant fossils. Palynology, it is related with pollen grains and spores. Here don't get confused with paleo and palyno. Try to remember here, this is palynology. Palynology is related to pollen grains and spores, while paleobotany, it is related to plant fossils. Related to dominant terrestrial flora, one question is here. The question is, division of plant kingdom providing dominant terrestrial flora of present day. So options are here: Pteridophyta, Spermatophyta, Thylophyta, Bryophyta. So here question is that in present day, which plant division is responsible for the dominant terrestrial flora? So you have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Please try to give answer in the comment section. Now we will see the correct answer. Pteridophyta is wrong answer. It is the Spermatophyta division which represents the dominant terrestrial flora of present day. So correct answer is Spermatophyta. Thylophyta and Bryophyta are wrong answers. Now we will see the explanation. Spermatophyta means seed plant. See this? This is a plant having fruits. Inside you will see seeds. So Spermatophyta are the most common plants on earth today. You see around your home, you will see most of the plants are seed plants. So Spermatophyta is the correct answer.